This is 61590 Gribbling Road in Bend, Oregon. Totaling 20 acres together offers not only flexibility, but privacy. Each lot has multiple building opportunities, but let's take a look at our proposed building envelopes. Here, you could put a shop that sits just off the main road. This spot offers a lot of functionality with that dugout driveway. And just a few steps away is the prime place to put your home. And this is an exceptional place to put a home in lot number 2. Here it would sit on the intersection of the COID Canal and the small irrigation canal that runs through both lots. Having both the main and small canal is a huge feature of this property. Additionally, check out the defined bike track that's ready to ride on this lot. You still have a lot of privacy with the high-end homes next door, but you know that they were taking advantage of those mountain views. If you're interested in one lot or the other, or even both, copy the MLS numbers or check the link in the description to get our contact information or to be taken straight to the MLSs.